Hey guys, Matt here again from handylifehacks.com. Today is Saturday, April 7th, 2018, and I believe that makes it day 20 of my 90-day, formerly 90-day Whole30 challenge. Now it's more of just a 90-day lose 55 pounds in 90 days or less challenge. Still eating Whole30 compliant stuff, but doing a lot more intermittent fasting, as I mentioned in yesterday's video. So the dynamic of my diet plan has kind of changed here, but making progress nonetheless. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, we had quite a heavy dinner, and I had a feeling that I would either not lose anything, lose very little, or possibly even gain some. Sure enough, this morning I was at 209.6, which is a 0.2 pound gain from yesterday, but I know a lot of the stuff that I had for dinner was still in my system. Like I said, it was pretty heavy. So I'm not too worried about that. I'm sure that that'll rectify itself in the next day or two. Just a real quick rundown of my day. I fasted through breakfast. Actually made the kids breakfast and smelled it as I was cooking it, and it smelled wonderful. And then I didn't eat anything. My wife fasted too, so it's just the kids, but man, it smelled good. I love breakfast. Anyway, lunch rolled around. I didn't have anything for lunch. And I didn't really have anything for dinner. We actually went to a wedding today. It was this afternoon. And they had a lot of food. And I didn't eat anything that was off the Whole30. I was still eating Whole30 compliant stuff. So I had some fruit and I had some vegetables. And I had a bunch of pickles and I had a bunch of olives. And it was all pretty satisfying. Walked out of there feeling like I had had a good meal. So anyway, that's really all I have for today. I didn't have a whole lot to report. Kind of a run-of-the-mill day. If you would like to follow my progress, see pictures, get recipes, that sort of thing, be sure to check out my blog. The link is in the description below. And if you'd like to follow my progress, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and tap that little bell icon, and then you'll be notified of my videos as they're released. So anyway, like I said, that's all I have for today. Everyone have a good evening, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.